Birds are warm-blooded vertebrates distinguished by feathers, beaks, and hard-shelled eggs. Avian evolutionary history traces back to theropod dinosaurs, with feathers initially serving as insulation. Key avian anatomical adaptations include hollow bones, a four-chamber heart, and air sacs for efficient respiration. Bird species exhibit remarkable diversity across various habitats. Forest birds, such as woodpeckers and owls, are adapted for arboreal life with specialized beaks and talons. Aquatic birds, like penguins and ducks, possess webbed feet and waterproof feathers for swimming and diving. Bird behavior includes migration, mating rituals, and nesting habits. Many bird species undertake long-distance migrations, navigating using the Earth's magnetic field or celestial cues. Nesting habits vary, with some birds building intricate nests, while others lay eggs directly on the ground or in tree cavities.